Back in the Shed studio again, I've been working on more ice sculptures with capacitive touch sensors. They've got conductive wires in them, and these wires are connected to a capacitive touch sensor, which is then being mapped into Ableton Live. This is mapped to everyone's favourite granulator 2. It's mapped to parameters such as file position, which is the scrubbing through of an audio file, and the grain size, which is how big the grains or tiny samples are of the audio from my voice. So every time I'm touching it, its MIDI control change parameter has been mapped to a corresponding parameter.